Hey guys, do you have a dog who does not like to take his flea and tick pill? Well, let me give you a helpful hint. My dog, if you try to just give him this pill, he is just gonna spit it out and you're gonna have to find another way. So, this is the best way that I have found to give my dog one of these pills. If I can open it. What you do with this thing, because they're pretty big, and it's not like his milk bone dog biscuits. So what I do is I like to cut mine in 4 pieces. Just like that, okay? Real simple. Make sure you wash your knife when you're done with this. All right. I like to give him, and I take a piece of ham, and I roll up 2 or 3 of them, fold them up, and I'm gonna fold them into bite-sized pieces. Then I'm gonna take 4 more, and I'm gonna put my little morsel of medicine inside my ham, okay? It might poke through, it won't matter. I'm gonna get that, and I'm going to make sure that his treat stays in the middle, all wrapped up. And then, because he likes ham, I am gonna hand feed these to him. And he is just gonna, as in the past, hopefully, gobble them all down. Wrap them up, make them a little bitty burrito, and you want to feed him the 3 without the medicine first. And here's my dog, old Jet. Oh Jet, come on Jet. Let's see what we got over here, boy. Now, you don't want to just lay these on the ground to where he's eating them. And are you ready, Jet? Are you ready, huh? Good boy. Good boy, Jet. Here, right here, another one. Good boy. Now, another one. Oh, he loves them, yeah. And now I'm gonna try the one with medicine, because he's just gonna swallow it whole. Good boy, Jet. Another one. Another one. Oh, that one came apart. Here you go. Ready? Here you go. Nope, he ate it anyway. Wow. See, it tasted like ham. He was good with it. Good boy, Jet. Good boy. One more. One more, and you'll have your pill for another 3 months. And that is how you do it. Good boy, Jet. Good boy. Nope, that's all. That's all. No more. No more. Say hi to the camera. All right. Good boy.